Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we could do a super chill kind of unboxing slash talk about stuff that I've been into recently. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. Okay, so I recently placed a bunch of orders, as you guys can see. I have a bunch of stuff in here that I want to talk about. And just stuff that I've been loving recently and that I think that you guys should all have. So one of the first things that I'm going to talk about is this eyeliner. So this was actually sent to me. I did not purchase this myself. So this is from the brand The Quick Flick. My dog is literally breaking into my room. So the Quick Flick is an eyeliner stamp brand. I believe they are in Australia because I think that's where this package came from. And I absolutely love this product. So I'm pretty sure I used this about 2 or 3 days ago, and you guys will most likely see the video of me using it before you will see this video. But pretty much what it is inside every single box you get 2 eyeliners. Jesus. So one of them is for the left and one of them is for the right. On the opposite side is just a regular eyeliner pen. It's like a felt tip pen. It's super simple, super easy. It makes eyeliner so much easier. I struggle with wings. I hardly ever wear winged liner. Like if you see me wearing winged liner, I literally spent a good hour on that wing and most likely had to take it off and reapply it because I honestly suck at winged liner. But this makes it so easy. So I've seen a couple of YouTubers using it. One of the biggest ones was Huda Beauty. She used this in one of her videos. I think she did a YouTube video on it, or maybe she just showed it on her stories a little while back. I don't know, but she said it was amazing. And so when they contacted me and told me they were sending me this, I was so excited. Another thing that I've been super into, I didn't purchase this online, but I do want to talk about it just because I'm so obsessed with it, is this L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. So this is the green one. I'm pretty sure it's like a green tea. I don't really know. It doesn't say anything really on it, but it smells like green tea, kind of. It's kind of like green tea slash mint-ish smelling, but it is so good. So I've used it, I think about 3 times so far, and I'm loving it. I'm definitely going to be getting a couple more of these masks. These were actually on sale when I purchased it a little while back. I think I purchased it like a month ago. I have literally so many masks that I didn't even need a new one because I literally buy a mask, I use it like once and then I never use it again. Plus I've been getting a lot of masks in my Boxycharms recently, so I was like, hey, I don't need another mask, but it was on sale, so I decided I was gonna get it because it was like half off for some reason at Walmart. I don't know why. It might have been like expiring or something, but I don't know. I love it. Definitely got to check out these masks. Another thing that I have been loving, so I recently purchased or placed an order on Amazon, and it came in 2 different orders. I don't really know why because I thought that it was coming from the same place, but one of them, ew, there's like a bug on it. Is these cute little clips. So I have been seeing these all over Instagram, YouTube, pretty much everywhere. They're super trendy right now. I actually have one in my hair that you guys can't see. Super, super cute. But I'm obsessed with these. There's like a leopard one, pink one, blue one, all different designs. Adorable. And then the other thing that I got from Amazon is this Jade Roller. So again, been seeing these all over Instagram. I actually missed out on getting a Jade Roller. A bunch of people got them. I think it was in the spring box or maybe the fall box of FabFitFun. I don't remember which box it was, but I remember I wanted the Jade Roller so bad. So many of my friends got the Jade Roller in their box and I didn't, and I was literally heartbroken because I wanted it. So I was like, ever since I was like, hey, I need to get a Jade Roller. So this is super cute if you guys are into skincare. So it comes in a little box like this, and at the top there's a Jade Roller, and then at the bottom, I don't know what this thing is called, but it's apparently really good for your chin jawline area. So obviously I have a little bit of fat on my double chin area. I barely have a jawline, honestly. I contour the shit out of it and it's still pretty non-existent, but this is apparently really good. I don't know why mine is so dirty, but it's apparently really good to roll on your neck. So I saw someone doing this. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. You literally just like push your skin. Oh, I'm probably gonna get so much makeup on this. Oh, that's what's on it is makeup, because I was doing this earlier. So you literally just like push it back. I don't know if I'm doing it right, because is it supposed to hurt? Like, it kind of hurts. And I don't know if you're supposed to like relax your face or what. Yeah, definitely don't do it with makeup on, because now it's all dirty, but whatever, we can wash that off. But I think this is genius, literally. And if it works, it works. If not, it was like, I'm pretty sure I paid like $21 for this whole box, so whatever. And then the Jade Roller, of course, I'm not going to use it just because I have makeup on, but this is really good to incorporate into your skincare routine. I've seen a lot of people just put like a moisturizer or an oil on their face and then just roll your face. It's apparently really good for blood circulation. It's double-ended as well, so there's like a bigger end for your entire face, and then I'd probably use this one like under my eyes. Super, super great purchase. I'm really happy with it, of course. Okay, so another thing that I recently got in the mail is my Boxycharm for August. So I don't want the products to fall out. First of all, pinks. Love pinks. Second of all of the brands in it I am so obsessed with. Aside from one brand I've never heard of before, but I actually really like it. I am obsessed with this box. So I filmed a tutorial this morning, which is actually the eye look that I'm wearing. I've been wearing this all day, so it might look a little rough right now, but I promise it looks better in person. But yeah, you get all of these products. So the first product is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I love this. I've used it twice now. It is a bit drying, I find, and I do not have dry skin, so I kind of like it just because I feel like it dries up all those oily T-spots for me, but I really like this. If you do have dry skin, though, you might not like it. The Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This one is really good. It's very similar to, what is that one? Oh, Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't know how I forgot that, but yeah, it's very similar to that. The brush is very similar, and I feel like it applies pretty much the same. So I am obsessed with Wander Beauty. I actually received a product from Wander Beauty in one of my Boxycharms like months ago, and this was back when like I didn't even know what the brand was. I didn't even know that they existed, and so I searched them because I loved the product that I got. I'm pretty sure it was like a mask, or what even was it? No, it was a blush palette. It was a blush palette. It was like a blush and highlighter palette that everyone got in like one of their Boxycharms. I think I might have even gotten it in a Boxy Luxe. I don't know. But anyways, I loved that palette, and so I searched the brand and realized that they have all of these other amazing products. I don't know where I can purchase it. If anybody knows where you can purchase Wander Beauty in Canada, like not online, but like in a store, I think they might have it at Nordstrom, but I'm honestly not sure. I don't think they have it at Sephora, but I'm obsessed with the brand. So in this month, you will get the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So I've used this twice now and love it. It is super, super hydrating. It's not super oily, and it has like a pink tint to it, but it obviously dissolves into your skin. But yeah, I love it, and it smells really good too. Another thing, so you will also get these two Ace Beauty Glimmer eyeshadows. So I'm wearing the pink one, this one. I'm wearing this one on my eyes right now. Again, not sure how good it looks after like having it on my eyes for like 10 hours. It definitely has fallout, which like isn't a huge issue to me, but this one was definitely pressed a little better in my opinion. I don't know. This one was like very loose and this one was not. So it might just be me. Maybe I just got like a dud one. Who knows? But yeah, love, love, love these. And the packaging is so cute. So you're gonna get two of those, which I find amazing. And then also the Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Vogue. So I really like this. It's like a classic nude, but it has like almost like a reddish, pinkish like undertone. When I put it on my lips, it kind of looked like almost like a berry shade. But I really like this. I had never heard of this brand before, Steve Laurent. Steve Laurent Beauty. I'll have to look them up and see like what other products they have and if I would like purchase other products, but I really like the lip pencil. Okay. And last but not least, this box that has all of my favorite hair products in it. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know, but I work for Monat Global, which is a vegan hair care line. And I am obsessed with the products. So I have been partnered with them for about a year now, a little over a year. I think I joined in like April of 2018, so a little over a year. But I am so obsessed with the products. My hair has grown so much from using them. You can't even see the bottom of my hair, that's how long it is. So I did a repurchase of some of my favorite stuff, / we had a flash sale, and I usually always order during flash sales because what other time to stock up on your favorite products than when they're on sale. So I ordered 3 dry shampoos. So I go through dry shampoos like crazy. And these are pretty big bottles. These are 3.7 fluid ounces. Like, that's pretty big for a dry shampoo. I go through dry shampoos. I would say a bottle like this lasts me like probably like 3 months, which to me is fast just because I literally use it every day. Every single day. And I'm not even ashamed to say that because I have super oily hair. Plus, I work out quite a bit. It's summer right now, so obviously it's hot outside. I ride my bike pretty much everywhere that I go. And so I'm always sweating. My scalp is always oily. So a lot of times I don't like to wash my hair every day, obviously, because it's like so bad for your hair and it makes your hair super dry. So a lot of times if I'm sweating a lot, what I'll do is I'll come home, I will dry my hair, like dry the roots of my hair with a hair dryer, and then I will spray the dry shampoo, and then I'll spray like another product. Like sometimes I'll do like root lifter or something like that, just so that my hair doesn't look super flat. I also don't like wearing my hair up too much because it honestly breaks your hair and it just makes my hair messy, and I just don't like wearing my hair up. I get headaches too. Like, my hair is so thick and so long that if I wear my hair up, I will literally get a migraine. It's insane. So purchased 3 dry shampoos. The sale that we had was you purchase, I think it was like $84 or something worth of products, and you can get 2 products from like a list that they had for $6 each, so something like that. Plus I got this styling clay. So this is actually for Jude, my boyfriend. It's not even for me. I don't really use styling clay other than if I had my hair in like a sleek ponytail, but like chances of you guys seeing me with a sleek ponytail, like I honestly doubt it. But I would use the Taffy if I had a ponytail like that. But yeah, this is the Restyle Instant Sculpting Taffy. I've never used this, and Jude has yet to use this because it's been sitting in this box. But I want him to try this gel because he was complaining about his gel the other day about how it's not good and it makes his hair really sticky. Oh my gosh, and it smells really good. So I'm going to get him to try this and let me know if he likes it or not. So I picked that up for him. So I got these 2 products. So this is the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. I've only used this one other time before, and it was incredible. So I have super frizzy hair. Like, literally no matter what I do to my hair, there's always going to be some frizz. It's who I am as a person. Like, my hair is always frizzy. It's been frizzy since the day that I was born, no joke. My hair is actually not too bad right now, but you can probably see some frizz at the back. So this apparently is really good for battling that frizz. It has Rejuvenique in it. I do currently use Rejuvenique on my frizz, so whenever I have like flyaways or whatever at the top, I'll like use some Rejuvenique oil and like put it on the top. But I wanted to give this a try because this is literally for frizz. So I used it once and I loved it, but I used it when I had my hair up, so it kind of doesn't count. Again, oh my god, it smells so good. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. I'm going to use it, I think, when my hair is like natural, because I find whenever I wear my hair naturally, like air dried, that's when it's the frizziest. So gonna try that. And then also I repurchased the Split End Mender. So this is our Rejuva Split End Mender. This is super good for split dry ends. I use this all the time. It's best to use it on wet hair rather than dry hair, but it is so good for those dry split ends. I need a haircut like so badly right now because my hair has been growing like crazy, but this is really good to kind of tame that frizz that you get, especially if you need a haircut and you know how your hair gets kind of like frizzy and like broken at the ends. This is really good for that. It literally glues your split ends together. It's insane and it smells so good. So yeah, that is all of the products that I purchased online slash in store, just slash shit that I've been loving recently. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, then just let me know in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about anything or want to know like where I purchased something, I will try to link everything down below, but no guarantees on that. I sometimes have issues linking stuff on Amazon because a lot of times I can't even remember like what it's called or where I got it. So if you guys have questions about that, then just comment down below and I'll let you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!